Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation 4x plus 2 is equal to 4, and we're asked if x satisfies the equation above, what is the value of 2x plus 1? So there's two ways to do this. There's the more standard way, which is going to be to solve for x and then plug it back into this expression. And then there's a slightly quicker way, which I'll do at the end. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to 4, just rewriting this right here. We want to solve for x, so we want to get it alone. So if we subtract 2 from both sides, these cancel out, and we have 4x is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2, dividing both sides by 4. These cancel, and we get x is equal to 2 over 4, or 1/2. And then from here, we're going to say, what is the value of 2x plus 1? It's 2 times x, which is 1/2, plus 1. 2 times 1/2 is 1, plus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is the standard way to solve this problem. It doesn't take that long, and you get your answer as 2. However, there is an either shorter way. You just have to notice a trick that you can use to solve. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to 4. And instead of solving for x, we're going to divide everything in this equation by 2. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. You're allowed to do this because you're doing it to both sides of the equation. We have 4 divided by 2 is 2x, plus 2 divided by 2 is 1, is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. So what is the value of 2x plus 1? Well, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So the way you do this is you notice that if you divide 4x plus 2 by 2, you get 2x plus 1, and that just saves you a couple of steps and you just get straight to the answer. Either way works though, and you get the same thing either way. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.